Dadaab is a complex of 5 UN-managed refugee camps in eastern Kenya. The first one was built 25 years ago for refugees from Somalia fleeing terrorism and famine at home. Kenya's government said it is now safe for them to return home, and it ordered the closure of the camps. Several rights groups challenged the order in court, and a High Court justice found that it violates Kenya's constitution as well as international treaties on refugees.
The decision by the government of Kenya to collectively repatriate all refugees in Dadaab refugee camp to the frontiers of their country of origin against their will violates the principle of non-refoulement.
Amnesty International, one of the groups that filed the suit, welcomed the ruling.
The revocation of Somali refugee status amounted to discrimination. The repatriation of all Somali refugees back to Somalia amounted to reform and was tantamount to collective punishment.
Some Kenyan officials claimed the sprawling camp complex near the Somalia border has been used as a recruiting ground for the terrorist group Al-Shabaab and as a base for launching attacks inside Kenya. A government spokesman said the court decision will be appealed as soon as possible.
The closure of Dadaab refugee camp has always drawn various opinions from very many players. But the decisions, the conditions, the situation which forced this decision after over a quarter of a century, the situation remains the same and nothing has changed. And therefore, being a government whose cardinal responsibility is first to Kenyans, we feel that this decision should be revealed, and that is why we are appealing.
Somalia elected a new president Wednesday, but it could not hold direct elections due to the terrorist threat. Parliament members cast their ballots in a heavily guarded airport hangar, deemed to be the safest place, as Al-Shabaab militants fired mortars around the capital Mogadishu. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.